Hello beautiful people. Today healthy juice is something very important. Greens, greens and greens. Vitamin booster. Cucumber, spinach, green apple, celery, ginger, coriander, and if you like, a beautiful honey. Here we go. Here we go. We are processing now beautiful greens, beautiful greens. What is come is that. So what you have to do for a nice vitamin booster, a little bit honey to make your life more sweet. Look at that. What a beauty. What a beauty. That is what we need every day to boost our immune system and to be more healthy. Have a great day, everybody. See you.